Products are made in a factory. Brands are created in mind.
Now, I would like to ask Ranavir sir, what are his views on this quote?
See, brands see, branding is something which people of the organization make. Products तो हर organization बनाता है, but उसको market करना is like the people market actually.
Now, let me ask Sonu sir, our genre mentor, what are his views on this presentation?
It was a good presentation. I have a question first to ask from the team. So can I ask the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay. According to you guys, when you have made this presentation talking about Maggie, what is your context to it? What you are trying to explain?
Sir, we are trying to explain that when a product falls deeply, it is, and when you have resurrected it again, it is not only because how good the product is, it is because how good they have marketed it and how significant a brand value they have made it. Because आज आप अगर आप सोचोगे कि मेरे को noodles खाना है, the first thing that pops into your brain is Maggie. Also, if you look at a color yellow, आपको Maggie ही लगता है हमेशा. तो ये सब हमको बहुत छोटा छोटा चीज लगता है कि ये सब तो उन्होंने ऐसे क्या रहेगा, टैगलाइंस बनाया उन्होंने, बट ये सब हमारे माइंड में इतना इंड्यूस हो गया है ना, एंड इसके पीछे उन्होंने इतना बड़ा साइंस लगाया है कि आप सोचो 0% से उन्होंने 60% पे शेयर लाया अपना, जस्ट ये 12 पॉइंट स्ट्रेटेजी यूज करके जो उनके मार्केटिंग एंड ब्रांडिंग टीम ने किया था.
Okay. So you guys have put in lot of effort to research and work on this presentation, right? And you have done a wonderful job of the making a presentation and presenting it. And your presenting was also flawless, right? Here I have few suggestions for you. When we are talking about branding and marketing, when I asked you this question, what was your context? So your context was simply revival. You were trying to explain the revival strategy. It was not about how Maggie has made a brand in India. It was purely the revival strategy, right? And to explain it, you have said so many things. So the first rule of branding and marketing is keep it sweet and simple. Case, right? If you cannot explain in the simplest and the shortest form, you are not going to convey your message to anyone, right? So that is one part. Secondly, one, I think somewhere Meghna was when she was talking about the strategy. So she has used this emotional thing, right? You have come to that point that they have been trying to touch the audiences emotionally.
Yeah.
And I think you would have put in more stress on that because their strategy is purely emotional. Whenever they have since the beginning, they have tried to connect to their audiences emotionally, and that's why they have become such a big brand, right? Third, I think there was a punchline in your conclusion. When on the conclusion slide, there was a punchline. There was some quote which you have mentioned,
Yes,
right?
sir.
What was that quote?
Sir, just a
Dare
second.
to fall greatly can achieve greatly.
I couldn't relate that quote to the conclusion.
Sir, it's people who dare to fall, that only then they can achieve greatly. It was after Maggie felt that Maggie understood कि उसका problems क्या क्या था, and then when Maggie resurrected, they made all that changes and everything. So it's not as if you fall and if you have a market share of 0 or if you're destroyed that you can never go up again. So what we tried to show was कि Maggie का branding timeline क्या था, कि history में Maggie का branding कैसे था, and after Maggie 2.2 में उन्होंने क्या क्या changes लाया in the marketing and branding thing. Because Maggi ka marketing team before the revival was very limited, but now they have a team of 60 individuals that sit at their head office that market everything and look at their stats.
Okay.
Sir, also उनका story काफी inspirational है. Like it's made for books and they have changed the face of branding. So that's why that quote.
So I will say here ki it's not their failure. It was not the failure of a brand, right? It was the strategy change to push the brand into the market again, right? Because there were some flaws. That was not a failure, right? So initially when it was a brand, when they have created their brand, right? So people have accepted it. Slowly, gradually, people got aware about few things, and then they started working. And the ban which has happened, there are different stories behind it, right? It was not their failure, but they have acted fast. They have acted fast, and they have changed their strategy to revive their brand again,
Yes.
right? So that was good. So tagline, still I am that
Okay, sir.
quote I was not able to relate it, but otherwise you guys have done a wonderful job of researching on them, right, and putting the things into the right framework. So it's a good presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
We'll surely
Thank you.
work on that, sir.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your views.
Now we move towards the Q&A session. Priya ma'am, do you have something to ask our participants?
I want to just add in one thing that this was one of the best case studies that I have seen in the session until now for all the other, projects. That this was perfect for me in terms of you guys really from the fact what exactly, happened from the beginning inception of it until the very now, which is very important. Usually I do have this entire thing now that properly आपने पढ़ा नहीं या आपने थोड़ा सा miss out कर दिया. In that terms, you guys were perfect this time is what I felt. I have this little thing to say, and I'm sorry if I have like kind of butted in somewhere. Yeah. Because I can barely hear. I'm trying to manage and not miss this meeting as well. Because you guys have been amazing. Trust me, looking at you guys, it kind of motivates us also to keep on doing better in what we are doing, So hence, I'm not missing out on any of the meetings, all right, any of the mentoring sessions. So having said that, this time I really feel the presentation levels went down. Content was amazing. Like, trust me, for me, if I really, look at how it has been, content this time went up, but this went down. So I want a balance kind of a thing, if possible.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
yeah, at the end of the day, content is what matters, facts and truth. So that was delivered a good case study, how in theses that happens. But that what it was. That's something that I want to point out.
Ma'am, we'll surely work on that, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your views. Now, I would like to ask Pradeep sir his thoughts on this presentation.
Yeah, thank you. I joined in quite late, so I'm sorry about that. I was stuck in another presentation. But whatever I could hear, I think I joined when Sejal I think Sejal was speaking. And from that, I got the gist of it. And I slightly would like to support you guys in terms of branding and marketing, what Sonu sir has said, that it was a revival strategy. More than that, I believe that they tried to explain what Maggie was before the mission happened and after that it changed. Now, comeback, it is definitely a comeback story, but comeback would not have been so easy if they had not built the brand earlier. It's a brand which was existent, and that's the reason the comeback was so easy for them. That they had built the brands because now we don't say noodle dena ya koi XYZ noodle dena, we just say Maggie dena. So that is nothing but brand building, and that was the whole case study was all about. That is what I think. So between me and Sonu Saab, Jona mentor. So his point of view is also valid and good. One more question, since this is about brand building, when you talk about a big multinational like Nestle, they spend millions of dollars, or you can even say billions of dollars in creating a brand. a startup which is struggling to have funds with resources and everything. So what is your suggestion for startups to build a brand which can be remembered and which is impactful?
Sir, what I feel is when Maggie started in 1980s, until it became the #1 selling brand in 2000, they didn't have that kind of money. So what they did was they basically started impringing in the customer's mind about their values. Started by simple packaging of yellow and red color. If you see Maggie's packet, it has no complex colors. It's just yellow with a red logo of Maggie. So what they first did is they acted on the color signs of how color yellow and red induces hunger in you. That's one of the things.
Sorry to interrupt, Ajit. I understand Maggie wasn't big initially, but
Yeah.
it is a product of Nestle, which is a big company.
Yeah,
which is a sponsor.
but when they allocated funds, so when we researched in 1980s, the fund allocation for Maggie was very low because that time Nestle felt that the noodle market in India was not that big to compete. So they didn't allow funds for Maggie.
Can you
And
take another example other than Maggie?
okay.
Where we started from ground, which did not have the backing of any multinational.
Okay, we can take the example of Cadbury. So when Cadbury was started, before it was bought by Mondelez, a chocolate company, that's a Swiss company. When Cadbury started, it didn't have that much kind of a money to start from the beginning. But even if you look at that time, a Cadbury's wrapper has always been a purple color with a white font of Cadbury. So it's always been the fact that when you go to your childhood and you see something, and when you come up till this age and you see the same thing with just different variations, you have this brand image built in your head. And so what startups can do is they can start by putting out, they can start by working on their brand first and creating a trust in the mind of the people. Even after the ban, a lot of people could not believe that Maggie had MSG or Maggie was bad for them. So that's how big of a brand value they had created. Or even in Cadbury, when the news came that there were some worms in it, no kid could believe that Cadbury could have worms in them, because that's how impinged it was in your mind that Cadbury is a chocolate that you take. Whenever you go to a market, you'll always say कि sir मुझे Cadbury दे दो या मुझे chocolate. You never say chocolate, you say Cadbury दे दो या silk दे दो, because that's how big a brand value Cadbury has made or Maggie has made. So it starts from the very base. It takes time to build brand value, but once you build it and once you act on it, there's nothing that can remove that brand. So I think what
two examples of one Indian brand and an international brand, Google, which started from
Arleji?
yes,
and start.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. So that's it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Avni ma'am, do you have something to ask them? Avni ma'am?
Yes, I actually, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes.
What is enzyme and how does it look like?
Okay, I just had a very simple question to everyone here. See, Maggie started with the concept of 2-minute Maggie, right? Which we've already spoken of. So, I had a question to all of them that actually, they use this marketing gimmick, if I may call it so. But if you look at it, Maggie can never be cooked in 2 minutes, right? So, how do you think the audience has, or the target audience has actually been able to, sort of always been buying it or looking at it?
It's a very smart strategy, because when Maggie, if you read at their press reports, every time they're asked this question that Maggie can never be cooked in 2 minutes. But what they say is when you boil at an optimum temperature that they have, and when you put the Maggie packet in it, it obviously cooks at 2 minutes. But Maggie is not made for cooking. It's solely made so that the person who eats it can cook it however much time he wants. So some people like a very dry kind of Maggie, while some like a very well cooked kind of Maggie. So that's how Maggie plays it in their press reports and their press releases. They say that Maggie is a brand that is for the people, and the cooking time should also be decided for the people. But just because we have tested it, we can say that it can be cooked in 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes, it would render to be ineatable. But however time you can take, you can cook the Maggie as much time as you want. So that's how they play that angle. And that's very smart of them, because now we know that everyone says that Maggie can be cooked in 2 minutes, 2 minutes mein khushi hai. And see, that tagline also stays in our mind. You don't know what's the tagline of Patanjali or EP noodles, but you obviously remember that Maggie is 2 minutes. So that's how
Mama,
they play.
ma'am, and also nowadays people have quite less time. So when they hear 2 minutes, so they like readily buy that packet.
So it's just playing with the psychology of the buyer. And that's why
Yeah.
we're so intrigued in Maggie, because Maggie is not only a good brand, but it's also understood that how human psychology works. And that's the perfect example of branding and marketing as per me.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your views.
Salita, I have
Yes.
something to say.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sure.
sir. Sure.
Yeah. So I want to put two things here. One, what Pradeep was saying regarding the brand building of the Maggie from the inception, right? That was the reason I asked to the team first, what was their context of this presentation? Whether it was how Maggie have been a brand, how they have become a brand, or their context of the presentation was revival of their strategy, branding strategy. So as Adit said, that at that particular point of time, he said that they had been working on the revival strategy, right? So accordingly, I said ki, okay, this is okay. If they would have said ki it is on the branding of the Maggie as a brand, then it would have been a different story, right? Secondly, as a case study, as Priya rightly said, ki it is a very good case study. And this is what I have spoken before we have started this session. At that point of time, Salita said ki what I am expecting from the people today, right? So I said, in this kind of presentation, there can be only two things. One, they can either explain what branding and marketing is all about in their presentation, or they can present a good case study. So considering this is a case study, it's a good case study, right? Third, one thing Avni has mentioned about 2 minutes strategy. They have followed that 2 minutes. I actually, during one of my journeys in Chennai, there was a Maggie stand there. The brand itself has a Maggie stand at the Chennai airport. So I specifically asked this question also to them. So what they said is, there is a process. According to that process, they have defined it in 2 minutes. And what is that process? Put the Maggie in the bowl and keep it in the microwave for 2 minutes. It's done. Right? So they are going through that strategy, but it's your own wish how you want to make it. Right? You can make Maggie in 20 minutes also. Right? So, but to prove it, they are not misleading the people. And for that, they have this strategy. Right? So one thing is there, brand building is an exercise, right? Identity is different, but how people are going to perceive about you, that takes time. And this is what Maggie has done it. So they have given taste, they have given, so anybody is cooking, not cooking in 2 minutes, maybe cooking in 10 minutes, but they know it can be cooked in 2 minutes, and this is the process. And they have made it, right? So thank you very much. I think you guys have done a very good case study. You have done a very good research on it, right?
One last thing I'd like to say something what Sonu's comment.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
I'd like to add on to that, 2 minute thing, what we were discussing about Avni, those are under ideal circumstances. So let me give an example of one more thing. When you buy any the maximum speed, your vehicle will never reach to that speed, but still they give you, because that is under ideal circumstances. Second thing, the mileage of any vehicle, again, that is under ideal circumstances. So likewise, something for Maggie also, they must have.
Yes, Pradeep, you are rightly saying that it is in the ideal situations, but Maggie, what they have done it is the normal circumstances which anybody can do it also, right? In other things, it's tough many times. But what they have done is before they got into this kind of branding, they have made that SOP this can be made in 2 minutes like this. But they have never said it. anybody who has asked them, they have
Yes, sir.
given the instructions to them or whatever details to them, but they have never published it.
The only
Because
time
they don't know.
published
See,
it, yeah.
there is a thought behind that also. The people who will not have the microwave, they will not buy it.
Buy it.
Right? So they have kept that thing to them only. But anybody who asks them, they say this is how you can cook it in 2 minutes. So there is
That's
a
the thing. Yes, they have never released any of that in their press release. When
Yes.
they have never they mention micro. They only say ideal circumstances at a particular temperature. If you put the Maggi, it will come out. But then they again play it by saying that it's upon the person who eats his decision. However much he wants, he can cook it because it's your product. That's how they say it's your product, not ours.
Right.
And that's why it's a very interesting brand.
Good.
Thank you. Thank you all the mentors for sharing your views.
Now, I would like to ask Pranavesh, sir, what are his views on today's presentation? Sir, you're on mute.
Couple of things to add on the what you can say, with a pinch of Maggi masala in it. First of all, I would like to do something here. A good revival, a good comeback by Team A. Just stay grounded. Okay, whatever you have done today was amazing. What Sonu sir has said, being a case study, it's a good thing. About Maggi, I can say during the lockdown, when government has said you that bring essentials at your house, Maggi is one of the item ingredients in your basket. If I'm not wrong. So Maggi is also called as the midnight savior. रात को उठो, कुछ भी नहीं है बनाने को, डब्बे में से मैगी निकालो, बर्तन में गर्म पानी करो, मैगी डालो, उसका पाउडर डालो, नमक डालो, मिक्स करो, खा लो. That is how 2 minutes Maggi is. So basically, you don't have to sit and cut the onions. You don't have to cut vegetables, not cook vegetables, nothing. Just heat your water at a boiling point, put Maggi masala, you're done with the Maggi. Even if it is without vegetables, it tastes nice. So adding pinch of oregano and stuff, it will taste more nice. Adding pinch of a cheese, it will add more nice smell and fragrance and stuff like that. That is your choice. But Maggi in 2 minutes is this way. Even if you don't have a microwave, that's fine. Cooking it for 2 minutes will make your Maggi easier. So nowadays, Maggi has become the essential for a youth person. Talking about another case study, I could say Johnson & Johnson, how they have made their comeback. Johnson & Johnson has had actually lost their license due to one of their product about baby product, the powder one. So उसमें क्या हुआ था कि उनका pH बैलेंस जो होता है, पाउडर लगाने के बाद बेबी के रैशेस होने शुरू हो गए थे. उसकी वजह से जॉनसन एंड जॉनसन के प्रोडक्ट को बैन कर दिया गया था प्लांट में से. मतलब प्रोडक्ट मैन्युफैक्चर नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो their Mulund plant was closed for almost 6 months and they had to pay a huge and hefty amount, where I was working with Johnson & Johnson that point in time. So we knew this case, and this case was not even recent case. This case was of 2006. 2006 के बाद जब FDI का वो आया, कमिश्नर आया 2007 में, ऑडिट में 10 में उन्होंने नहीं पकड़ा, 11 में जब ऑडिट आया तभी नहीं पकड़ा, 13 में जब नया कमिश्नर आया उन्होंने नहीं पकड़ा, जब मैं 14 में जब नया कमिश्नर आया उन्होंने पकड़ के ये ऑडिट में से पूरा का पूरा रिपोर्ट बाहर निकाला, बोल के कि पीएच बैलेंस वो टाइम पे बेबी को रैशेस हो रहे थे करके. तभी प्रोडक्ट का पूरा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग लॉट वाज रिवाइव्ड एंड बेसिकली इट वाज जस्ट अ टेस्ट दैट, बट देन वो टेस्टिंग में प्रोडक्ट का लॉट बन के मार्केट में आ गया था. 123 almost 123 Arab crore rupees was being paid by Johnson & Johnson just to get the license back. But उसके बाद जो मार्केट में लोगों के मन में ट्रस्ट जो था वो डाउन होते गया कि मेरे बच्चे को कुछ हार्म तो नहीं होगा ना. But then they came up with 2 months campaign, which I hate that campaign. So the 2 months campaign was customer service was one. Second was they made a campaign with mom and baby using the same product for almost 2 months, and they showed that how baby is not affected by this product. This is brand revival strategy again. So brand is nothing but a brand is built. जैसे सोनू सर ने कहा ब्रांड इज बिल्ड बहुत सालों से, और अगर लोगों को वो चीज यूज करना है तो वो चीज वो यूज करेंगे ही. सिंपल आइडिया, सिंपल बताता हूं मैं आप लोगों को. आप लोग टूथपेस्ट कौन सा यूज करते हो जनरली? आदित्य,
Colgate.
व्हाई डू यू यूज कोलगेट? ओनली फर्स्ट नेम इज कोलगेट. अगर
ब्रांड नेम
ब्रांड में लेने के लिए तो आप कोई दूसरे ब्रांड में सोचोगे क्या?
नहीं.
Exactly. That is, you have been built that over a period of years. That is a brand built in your mind. You can't change it over a period of time. That is Maggi. Maggi ने अपना brand पहले से है. This is whatever case study that we are doing. That's a revival strategy. Maggi का. Maggi ने brand कैसे बना वो नहीं है. मेरे को आज लगा था कि Maggi ने brand कैसे बना वो दिखाओ. But अच्छा, revival strategy is also good. जो आपने दिखाया अच्छा है. मगर ब्रांड कैसे बिल्ड किया अगर वो दिखा लेते थोड़ा बहुत मजा आ जाता था ये प्रेजेंटेशन. बट एक्चुअली सेजल, यू डिड एन अमेजिंग जॉब. व्हाइल यू वर एक्सप्लेनिंग ईच पॉइंट, आउटस्टैंडिंग. इट वाज लाइक काइंड ऑफ अ मूवी इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी कि मैगी वाले कोई कुछ बात कर रहे हैं, कोई मैगी का एम्प्लॉय है जो बात कर रहा है. So you are also in yellow. उधर रिया भी बैठी है yellow में, and everybody is just eating Maggi. So understanding this, it's a very good flow to it. Hats off to you.
This is what I was thinking. They are the representatives of Maggi and putting across the presentation, presenting Maggi as a brand.
Yeah. Actually मेरे को भी वही लगा पूरा प्रेजेंटेशन का फ्लो देखते हुए. I was like amazing, good job done guys. So basically मैगी के रिवाइवल स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ तुम्हारा रिवाइवल भी हो गया आज के दिन. Now looking at the last, we need to look at it more. So something new in the next presentation. I would love to see something.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, guys.
Hereby, we come to an end to the first presentation of the fourth genre, Branding and Marketing. I hope you all enjoyed it.
It was an amazing session. Thank you everyone for making it successful.